GOCC is the taxes of the people is providing for the foundation of the National Food Authority. So bisag igutom na ang katawhan, wala yung libreng pagkaon gikan sa NFA.
Ito ang pag-asa boses na pagtatanong ng Chairman ng Food and Agriculture sa Konseho na si Kagawad Eduardo Layson IV matapos na nabanggit ng Manager ng National Food Authority on NFA na si Edgary Roncal na hindi kasali sa kanilang mandato ang direktang pamimigay ng libreng bigas sa panahon ng kalamidad dahil pangunahing layunin umano nito na mapanatiling mayroong stock na bigas na siyang magagamit ng karamihan.
The National Food Authority being a government-owned GOCC, it has a citizens charter and I believe one is that you're one of the service provider of the government. So are there any mitigating services in case of disasters or in case of like what's happening now?
Ang assistance that we can extend is we advocate and we make sure that our local government units who has an appropriation for their calamity fund purposes, we ensure that we effect our MOA. Kasi yung MOA na yun ang maging instrument wherein to facilitate the local government to purchase, to make our rice available for this calamity situation.
Hindi man umano ito libre, pero maaasahan di umano ang mababang halaga para sa mga konsumanting hindi kayang makakabili ng well-milled rice.
But hindi yung kami directly to provide rice assistance for free to those victims of calamities. It is through this kind of program that we are also a part of, I think that we are also a part in the mitigation of these calamities that we are now. That's why
That's it, ma'am. You are a part of the mitigation. So wala yung libre sa inyong mitigation? Or pababa sa presyo sa inyong mitigation?
Wala, sir. Kasi it is not within the mandates of NFA.
Kung matatandaan, maging ang bigas na ginamit ng lokal na pamahalaan nitong lungsod na ipamigay sa mga pamilyang grabing naapektuhan ng El Nino ay bigas na mula sa NFA. Pero kinwestiyon din ang kawalan umano ng Memorandum of Agreement sa gitna ng Mayor's Office at ng NFA.
May kalamidad man o wala, there is that MOA. Meaning, dili wala to na magkaroon ng kalamidad bago mag-MOA. So may MOA na para anytime, diretso-diretso na.
Binigyang linaw naman ito ng Action Officer nitong lungsod na si Dr. Bong Dacera na matagal na silang nakapagsumite ng MOA. Sa katunayan, epektibo pa nga umano ito magpasa ngayon. Pero ang kasalukuyang ginagamit na pagbibigay ng Calamity Fund ay ang dati pang supply ng mga stocks.
Actually, we have a standing memorandum of agreement with the NFA, kaya lang still yung sinasabi lang request is the process actually of procurement. Yung MOA kasi kailangan din pag may MOA, yung MOA nila will work dun sa PO pagka may purchase request ka. Kasi for government now we have not we are still ongoing do sa procurement process natin, pero yung initial natin na stockpile, we have already given that out. Nag-iwan lang tayo ng konti for contingencies.
So far, wala pa. We are awaiting gani na, aywan ko, but in effect pa yung MOA namin as of now. Effective pa yun. They can use that facility, yung through MOA, or they can use it cash purchase.
Binigyang diin naman ng NFA na kahit pa nakakaranas ng kalamidad ang syudad, meron din namang sapat na supply ang NFA.
Insure tayo. That is more than almost 250,000 bags.
Faith Dandoy, Brigada News.